Welcome back to another long range flight. In this video we're going to be flying out two Speedybee Mario 8 quads out to a total distance of around 5 kilometers from home, doing a big tour over the mountains. In this video we're flying with my mate Daire, who's never flown long range before, and so this was his very first time flying his Mario 8 out any distance. As this was a pretty nerve-wracking flight for him, as we flew out a total distance of just under 20 kilometers, but the Mario 8's handled it no problem at all, as you're about to see here. Right, so this is two Mario 8s flying 12 kilometers away. Not actually.
Oh, shut
yeah, I know. Go ahead, go in front of me, gotcha. Perfect. Oh, here. This looks absolutely unreal. Slow yourself down a tad, just. Remember, I can't go as quick as you just with this payload. Anyway, that is a set off. Got a wee bit of a tailwind here. It's pushed us along here rightly. But it's not too strong, if you know what I mean. We'll be able to fly through it on my home.
You still see me okay?
Yeah, I'm right on your tail here. Right on you. Just keep that pace, just literally hold that. Perfect. So I'm about 40% throttle, 67 kilometers an hour.
I'm 36.
36, yeah, you'll be a wee bit lower, obviously, with no camera and stuff, but it's looking absolutely unreal. I'm going to do a bit of voiceover just for this video. So we are currently about a kilometer out. Got the two Mario 8s here, and we're doing a bit of a long range mission. We're not going out too far today. We're only going to be going out about 4.5 kilometers in terms of, well, we're only going to be going out about 5 kilometers away from home in terms of our max distance. But the round trip should be around 15k. So light work for the Mario, but we're going to see how we handle here. It's a fairly calm day, a wee bit of a breeze, and obviously when we head up to the mountains here, we're going to be dealing with a wee bit more. Slow yourself down just a wee bit. Trying to catch you here.
All right.
I'm about maybe 30 meters behind you, just trying to catch you. That's you now, gotcha. Still on your tail. We're about 2 kilometers out now. What's your battery voltage at?
14.
Battery voltage?
Oh, but, sorry, 3.8.
3.8. Oh, that's fine. You're not even touching your pack. I'm about 3.7, but that's about right. I'm right on your tail right now. It looks absolutely unreal. Slow yourself down, just.
Dropping down to 38. It's a lot better than last time.
Just slow down. So I have to really push to get you. Just kind of cruise. See the height we're at? Just kind of cruise at this.
Yeah.
Towards where the hell are we going, brother? You want to start going a wee bit to your right, if you know what I mean, kind of aim dead towards the mountain as opposed to the left of them there.
To the right?
No, just go up to what our original plan, just kind of aim more towards them. So we'll be like riding on top of them. What's your pace there? Sorry, I'm real slow.
37.
I haven't even looked at my video, I'm even watching battery all the time. Ease off just a wee slight bit, just so I can get right up behind you. Yeah, gotcha. Oh, Jesus. Gotcha again. Perfect. Oh my God, how unreal does this look?
It's amazing.
So, we're flying up towards the first peak. This is just coming under 4 kilometers out. How good is your Mario flying right now?
Absolutely fantastic. Signal's keeping up a lot better as well.
Perfect. Let's go a wee bit lower here. Let's go nice and low to the ground here. We can go right along that ridge, you know. 4 kilometers out, the two Marios. Yeah, you can go a wee bit higher if you want. A wee bit higher here, yeah, a wee bit higher. Jesus, I nearly smacked into you about 3 times. Yeah, I got you now. Oh yeah, so this is two Marios, about 4.2 kilometers out, right over the incredible Mourne Mountains, as you can see here. Jesus! Go up there, and round to the right of the mountain now.
Oh, sorry, I went the wrong way.
Yeah, you're away. Jesus, I can keep flying in the wacky. Go a wee bit quicker, and go right down over those rocks now. You can go nice and... and then right along the wall again. Down low. 'Cause we can go low from here in terms of our video.
Man, I'm shaking.
You're all right. And then round to the right. Yeah. Just follow that wall. Oh, beautiful, beautiful shot. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
18.
Yeah, well dropped. Mine's just, if anything, your head slightly to the left. Ever so slightly. I mean, like literally slightly.
Alright, where are we going, straight ahead?
Straight ahead. Yeah, keep it lit. Right, not to the left. Sorry, to the left. Sorry, to the left.
To the left?
Yeah, towards that mountain there. To the left of us. Just
Oh,
follow
yeah.
the wall. Follow the wall. You'll see like the outline of the wall. So we're just following along that wall. Just remember, now see here, start getting height. Not too much. Stop right now and hold that, because we're gonna start to lose that. See, we are like off to the left here.
Yeah.
Mine's starting to lose my video a wee tad as well. So just hold this height here. If anything, a wee tad higher. Wee tad, yeah, perfect. Keep it lit about there. I'm about 30 as well. That's about right.
So we're still following the wall, yeah?
Over on the wall, yeah. If any, you can go a wee bit lower here, I would say. The wee tad. And keep staying on the left-hand side of the wall here. We're kind of over the right. You want to stay on that left-hand side. Stay on this left-hand side.
Okay, and you're
Yeah,
me. You can still see me and everything?
I'm running your chair. I'm basically guiding you, yeah.
I'll be this.
Oh, mate. This is unbelievable. 2 Marios. So we're out about 3.5 kilometers. If anything, just start gradually turning over to the left a wee bit. You know, your actual body position, only a wee bit though. I'm inches away from you right now. It's unreal. So you can follow the wall here, slightly to the right. Just can't follow the contour. Just watch your height there. Keep that height up a wee bit more. And then as of about now, we can go down to the height of that wall. Right now, as of now, we can go down to the height of him. Yeah, and cruise right over the top of him. Got it? You can go down to wall height now.
Oh mate, that is working.
Go low, lower. I'm like right above the wall. Right in your tail.
Oh, my signals.
Yeah, just watch it. Just get a wee bit more height. And then we'll head away up to the top here. So you don't want to go sky high above it here, right? But I see the height we're at now. Just hold this. Hold this right up to the top.
You're right behind me still?
Right on your tail, yeah. Literally on your tail.
So once we get to the top here, where are we going?
We're going to go up high above so we can go round to the right here. We're going to go do a right-hand turn, you know, just like round to the...
A left-hand turn?
Sorry, left-hand turn, yeah, around that hut. But just gain a bit of height here. A wee bit more. And hold it. Perfect. And as soon as we go around to the left of the hut here, right?
Yeah.
We're going to dive down the wall. Oh, Jesus.
Down this wall?
Yeah. Yeah, and you can go as low as you want here to that wall. I'm right on your ass here.
Right,
I'll tell you when we need to start pulling up. We're all good so far. Pull up about now.
And down to the right?
No, up.
Oh, up.
Along the wall. Just get a wee bit more height there. Nice,
Oh, mate.
How cool is that?
I was working.
Isn't it? So when we want to follow the wall off to the right there again, and then we're going to kind of break off from the mountains and go away down towards Tollymore. So I'm still on you here.
The signal dropped down to 9 there.
Oh, yeah, just watch you maybe going a wee bit too far behind the wall. And then we're always staying over the right hand side now.
So we stand on the wall here?
Yeah. So we'll keep following the wall, just get height here, okay? Because this bit we can't see. I know for a fact with Geff we can't see height.
More height?
Yeah, way up. That's it, hold it now, hold that there. Perfect. And then see, once we hit the middle here, we're going to go around to the right. So once and I'll tell you when, it's about 2 seconds. About now, yeah, so start heading off the right. And we're just going to follow this big green mountain in front of us here.
Down here?
Yeah, right in front of us to the left. Ever so slightly, yeah, perfect, right there, dead on. And we're just going to keep following him.
Just follow the arrow home.
No, we are starting to head home, but we're not going to go home straight away. We're going to go to Tollymore, which is just the big trees in front of us, basically. Oh, mate, I'm like right on you here. I lost you.
Oh, slow down.
No. I think I've lost you.
I've slowed away down there now.
See, like the end of the hill here?
Yeah.
Before it dips over, hover there. There's actually going to be a wee river, or not a river, sorry, a wee pond. Hover at the pond, right? See the pond at the top? Wee tiny, like, at the top of the hill? You'll come over, it's about 2k out. There's like a little, not a pond, it's like literally a big puddle.
Are you there now?
Yeah, I'm here there.
I'm coming up to, there's like 2 wee puddles. I'm up to the first one.
First one.
45 now.
I see it, I see it, hold on. And I've got you.
Where are we going then?
So straight ahead down the, oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. It's like inches away from me, go. Yeah, I got you. Right, way on the Tollymore, yeah.
Oh, there's you way in front of me.
No, I'm trying to catch you here. Right, I got you, go, pace.
Right, where are we going?
Tollymore, straight ahead.
Straight to the trees?
Straight ahead, and we're going to kind of come over them and go down to the right.
Go down the right?
A bit quicker, I'm right in your ass.
Down the right?
Yeah, just once we get to the tree, sorry. This is fucking classy. Long range chasing, it's a whole nother ball game. There's so much coordination, but yeah, no, we're gonna hit, as soon as we hit the tree line, we'll just kind of go over the top of them for a wee bit and then down
left
to the right.
Or then down to the right?
Like when we're over the trees, I mean. So I'm right on you here. Oh, this is the best part of the chase by far, 100%.
Man, I'm going to hit a tree.
No, you're fine, you're well above me. I'm right on you.
Oh,
keep that height there, perfect. Keep that height, perfect.
Mate, that's crazy.
So we're 2 miles now over the trees, down to the right. Can I go to the right there? Hard right.
Hard right?
Yeah, fairly hard. Fairly hard, and get lower.
I'm scared to get lower, mate.
And no, hard right. We're going to go way up to the top again. Not to the top of the mountain, just top of the trees here. See where the trees are getting higher?
Aye.
I go up there. Keep that look. Perfect. Lower.
Oh, mate.
Johnny, the lower we get, the better. Lower.
I'm shitting myself here.
Perfect. I lost you.
Lost me?
I got you again. Yeah, so we want to get as many shots pointed away from the sun because it looks shite into the sun. See the way we are now. You're flying like a maverick here. You need to tell me if you're slowing down or not.
Oh,
I've lost you again. I've got you again. Quicker. Where's he going?
Oh,
I've got you again. Yeah.
My fingers are getting sore.
You can ease off because we're close by. Oh, Jesus, you've stopped.
You're way above me.
Alright, I got you again. Well, let's do the same route. So just over the trees down to the right. Want to get as many nice lines as possible. You know what I mean?
Over the trees down to the right?
Well, I mean, like as soon as we go over the trees for a couple 100 meters, start going round to the right of them. Actually, do you know what? Keep going the way you're going. Start left. Right, and then about now, big 180, and we're gonna go up over that tree line.
Big 180?
Yeah, just turn around, right the way around. Go back the way we came. Up over the trees this time. Yep, go. Forward. Left, over the trees. Forward. Looks lovely. Oh yeah. Right, the right of the trees, just keep over the green ones. The green ones there. And then I want you to skim them.
Mate,
friggin' skim them.
Are you going to climb the tree?
Yeah, I'm right beside you. As low as you feel comfortable with. This footage must be beautiful right now. Jesus. Yes, that's a perfect height there. Left. Keep moving them this way to the left, yeah. Lovely. Keep going towards Newcastle.
Mate, I'm
not out toward, I mean like just in the direction so we can finish the shot, yeah. Lovely. And then round to the left. And start going towards us. So kind of, now you know you're going out far too far to the left, to the right. Over the trees there, yeah.
Oh shit, we're only 900 meters away from
I know,
us.
that's why I'm being so ballsy with the shots, because we can, right, hard right, and over these trees down here. We got perfect line of sight here. Low. And then just round to the right again. And then straighten up, and then just over the tops of these trees again. Yeah, just, you do nice kind of like line, I'm just right on your tail. As soon as we kind of reach the top and go around, we'll have to start coming home. I'm at 2.9.
You're at what?
2.9.
Oh.
Yeah, start going around to the right.
Oh, my signal kind of.
Alright, we'll slow down, slow down. And go. Gotcha. Perfect. Right.
We're going home?
I'm back home now.
Mate, my f***ing nerves.
Scary, isn't it? I'm 2.86. Here, that was such a flight.
Mate, that was f***ing amazing.
I'm down. Jesus.
Mate, f***ing hell, that was
What was that like?
f***ing hell. Holy sh**.
Like, wasn't that a flight?
Mate.
That was unreal. Like, what was that like for your first flight with the Mario?
Mate, first proper flight with the Mario, going over the mountain range, over the treetops, not worrying about signal too much was absolutely amazing.
Did it fly well, like a wind and all?
Absolutely fantastic. Smooth as hell. It was.
You're liking that Mario then?
Hands are shaking.
So we're just back from the long range flight. We've just flown the guts of 16 kilometers right out over the mountains. We flew all the way to the top of Slieve Bearnagh, as you can see behind us there. It's about 4.5 kilometers away. And then what we did is we flew the whole way to Slieve Commedagh. We flew about 2 feet away from each other the whole way along over the tops of the mountains, getting some unbelievable shots of the drones flying right and close to each other. The Mario 8s both flew unbelievably. Obviously having these 8-inch props allows us to carry the 2 battery and a GoPro and a big pole cam on the back with ease. So we're not having to worry about anything with the Mario 8. It flies absolutely beautifully for long range. Definitely a successful flight there.